All right, Ronnie, you can see I'm in the hunting shack. Look what's going on. No, I didn't do it. I do love to set fires, but I didn't set this one. Guy was cutting trees over there and dropped a great big tree right on top of the power lines. These are the big power lines you can see coming from the big power plant right down there in the James River. It was one hellacious explosion. I thought it was a plane crashed or something. So I grabbed me a Miller and my camera and came back here. They just halfway smoked my damn food plot down there. Look. Smoked turnip greens, baby. Here come the firemen. I don't know what the hell they're going to do. They just stand there with no shovels, no nothing. Ain't nothing they can do with that anyway. If they had just cut that shit, it wouldn't have been like doing like that, because look at there, they cut all that. Said, no, we're not going to cut this. Well, can't believe that fire truck. Oh, there it comes way up there. Let me show you. Here comes the cavalry. Dang, is that as fast as you can come? Oh, I see that guy over there working. Trying to keep it away from that truck sitting there. Still a lot of stuff in there to burn. That's some, it'll burn all that. Yeah, they've been clearing all that property, messing up our hunt. Now they've really messed it up. Hey, you have to walk right through my food plot, buddy. You're mashing down my turnip greens. Oh, there's that poor guy again. He's the guy that was operating the, looked like a big crane that had a saw blade on it, picking up trees like 100 feet tall and just moving them around. So that's Enrico fire right there. Man, I'm liable to be on 6 o'clock news. Just hang around up here and wait for them. They're going to have a big meeting there now. The fire truck sitting way over there. Oh man, that thing's getting wild now. Glad that food plot separates us. See, we got that right here. That's a nice barrier. Well, it's just about all burnt up now, I guess. Quite breezy. Starting to swirl around right much. It's getting all that big tall stuff there right now. You can see the wind blowing. A lot of the damn fire department just sitting down there. It can go all down through there and get in those woods over there. It's going to be too bad. Oh No, don't tell me he's coming up my food plot. Oh, Jesus. Watch this shit. Oh, Lord. Talk about some fucked up hunting season. This is it. This takes the cake right here. See how it's right on the edge of my line right there? There we go. Goodbye, turnip greens. Ain't that nice? Yeah, I think that's the guy driving the bulldozer that did all this in the first place. What the hell good is that doing? Oh, look over there. Got a double whammy going. Well, this is going to cut into their bottom line. That son of a bitch come right down the middle of my food plot. Y'all gonna replant my turnip greens? Thank you. Why don't put some damn water on it? Yeah, that's a good idea. That's got a hole in it. The guy there with the shovel and stuff. I think that's the owner of the property. Now they got a hole in the hose. Isn't that something? Good thing they're not at a house fire. Alright, I'm going to end this one for right now. Later.